everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Aurora from Italy and today I'm here in my parents' house. Outside is rainy, so it's not a very good day to go out, not even a good day for my hair. And I asked my mother to watch in her closet if she finds something vintage. And she found this box that is full of full arts of scarves. So let's have a look together. First of all, I'd like to take them out from the box. I see so many colors and let's start from a colorful one. So this one is a silk scarf. Here you can see the label with 100% silk. And the signature of Ken Scott, the hem. It is hand sewn. Hi Selene! She seems to love the box too.
Isn't she nice?
So the second one is brown. I feel that the material is again silk and it has a kind of a pied-de-poule pattern with this big red flower. Then we have this ivory scarf with pink flowers, very beautiful, with some stripes here. Okay, so this one, another floral scarf. I see that my mother loves flowers. A good quality silk scarf. I can remember that this one comes from China.
Yes, perfectly. We bought it in China, in a big silk workshop.
And I remember that we were visiting many monuments and then we stopped in this big shop. It was also a factory and my mother bought this one. So next one. Okay, this is signed by Pierre Cardin. That I see from this side. So here it is. It has a geometric print with a very flashy colors. Color block pattern. This is from the 80s. Okay. And then we have this one with this colorful landscape and iris flowers and the sunset. I love this. And
a present from your father.
Really? From your husband. Love a present. And the hem is always hand rolled in these scarves, and this means that they are good quality scarves. And also vintage ones, because nowadays they use to sew them by machine. Let me show you another one. So I love its colors with the pink and violet and brown. I love the combination. I think this will go well with many of my outfits. So if my mother wants to give me a present, this could be a good present for me.
That's very old because I used to wear it when I was young with mini skirts at the age of Mary Quant.
You were a modern girl.
Yes.
That time. Okay, so this one is a French one. The brand is Marquis de Paris. It has a small hole here, but anyway, it is beautiful. And it has a very classic pattern with a black and beige color. This one is a very big one. I could use it
Well, that's not vintage.
Not
tell you the
vintage.
truth now.
Okay, anyway, I love the yellow color, and the brand is Escada. So this has more delicate tones. It's in palette with my jeans today. So.
Yeah.
Again with flowers, blue, orange and green.
So bluish.
Carta da zucchero. Then there is this one with flowers and wheat. I know is the name of this flower in English. Poppies.
Spring flowers.
Okay, today I learned another English word that is swallow, the name of these birds. My mother told me that she has the umbrella too. I can open it in the house because it's already raining outside, so I don't think it's going to bring some more rain. And it is signed too. Okay, I remember this one because I always thought that it was something Chinese, but it is not. It's a vintage scarf by
An Italian brand.
Oriente di Dall'Alba. Then here we have another silk one. Well, they are almost all made in silk, but this one reminds me of Hermes with ropes and tassels. Then we have this silk voile scarf that is by Salvatore Ferragamo. Very transparent, very light scarf. And oh, here you can read the signature. And the last one, we have this Renato Balestra scarf. A bit transparent, very neutral colors with white and black geometrical pattern. So this is the end of the collection of scarves that we find in that box. Oh no, I have another one. This one that I'm wearing right now. This could be a good gift for me.
But I could give it to you if you really like it.
Yes, I do. Ooh, with the flower baskets. Wow. Okay, so we found the brand of this one. It seems to be Gucci. But anyway, it is really beautiful. I like it very much. I really love to wear silk scarves even in a masculine mood like this one, but let me show you some other ways you can wear this. For example, you can tie it around your head this way. And then make a double knot. So today this is a good way to wear this scarf because my hair is not in its place. Then you can also wear it as a belt. Okay, so that is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In next video I will show you some of the latest purchases that I made from Vinted. That is an app where you can buy and sell second-hand clothes and other objects. So stay tuned and see you at the next Vintage Weekend.